Imagine creating this and this and even this in seconds without any design skills and completely free. Sound impossible? Not with AI Studio and a little help from ChatGPT. I am about to show you how. Welcome to the AI revolution. I am Tahir and today we are unlocking the power of AI Studio's image generator, just one of the 33 groundbreaking tools at your fingertips. Plus, I will show you a pro trick using ChatGPT to supercharge your results. Let's dive right in. Open AI Studio and click on the AI image generator. It's your portal to limitless creativity. Now let's start with a basic idea. Say we want to create an image of a futuristic city, but don't hit generate yet. I have got a secret weapon to make this even better. Here's where the magic happens. We are going to use ChatGPT to transform our simple idea into a detailed, vivid prompt that will knock your socks off. And the best part, we have got special template to make this process super easy. I have created an amazing ChatGPT template for you to use. You can find the shareable link to this template in the description below this video. Just click on it and it will open up in the ChatGPT with everything ready to go. For now, let me show you how it works. Here's how the template looks like. Now let's fill this out for a futuristic city idea and I will show you how. Now watch as ChatGPT works its magic and transform this into a vivid, detailed prompt. Wow! Look at the incredible description. ChatGPT has taken our basic ideas and turned them into a rich, detailed prompt that's perfect for our AI studio. Remember, you can access this template anytime using the link in the description. It's your secret weapon for creating amazing AI-generated images every time. Now let's head back to AI Studio and paste in our supercharged prompt. See how much detail and evocative it is. This level of specificity is the key to creating truly stunning images. AI Studio lets you choose the artistic style with your detailed prompts. Let's go for digital art. Ready for the magic? Hit generate and watch AI Studio bring this vivid description to life. Incredible, right? Look at the detail, the lightning, the mood, all from our ChatGPT enhanced prompt. And remember, this is 100% free. Not quite perfect? No worries. You can always go back to ChatGPT for more ideas and use in our AI Studio for stunning images. Now that you have created this masterpiece, let's talk about turning your creativity into cash. There are several ways to monetize your AI generated art. First, stock image platforms. Sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allows you to upload and sell your images as stock photos or illustrations. Second, print on demand. Use platforms like Redbubble, Society6, or Printful to sell your art on various products, from t-shirts to phone cases, NFT markets. If you are into crypto, consider selling your unique creations as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. Remember, while AI helps create these images, your prompt crafting, style choices, and creative vision make them unique. Always check the terms of services of our AI image generator and marketplaces to ensure compliances. And there you have it. You have just learned how to create mind-blowing images using AI Studio and ChatGPT and turn them into potential income stream. From stunning social media posts to sellable art pieces, you are now equipped to dive into a world of AI-powered creativity and entrepreneurship. Here's an insider tip. If you are a content creator and you post a video about AI Studio, you get free access to all 33 tools. Just email info@multiplewords.com to claim your access. Imagine the possibilities with 33 AI tools at your disposal. Until next time, keep creating, innovating, and remember, with AI Studio, a dashboard of ChatGPT, and some entrepreneurial spirit, you are not just following trends, you are cashing in on them too.